This is the Selena's Faves fragrance and blush set. If you haven't seen it yet, get ready to fall in love. I finally got my hands on Selena's Faves and oh my god, this set is insane. This packaging soft, minimal and very Selena. The moment I opened it, the scent literally floated out. Okay, the fragrance, sweet, warm and a little flirty. This is the scent you wear when you want people to ask what perfume is that. It is giving signature scent. Now the blush, Selena knew exactly what she was doing. Look at the shade on brown skin. It blends like butter and gives that natural flushed look. It is soft, buildable and rare shade that actually shows up without looking patchy. Together, the blush and the perfume, it's literally the pretty girl combo. Selena did not miss. If this set is in your wish list, this is your sign. I'm obsessed. And if you want more honest beauty reviews for brown girl, you know what to do.